In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total sum in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking expenses, or analyzing data, knowing how to sum up values efficiently is a handy skill. Now, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you've opened Google Sheets on your device. If you're logged into your Google account, you can simply go to Google Sheets through your web browser. If you haven't already created a spreadsheet that requires totaling, you can either open an existing one or start a new spreadsheet. Once you have your spreadsheet open, navigate to the sheet that you want to work on. If your workbook has multiple sheets, you can find their tabs at the bottom of the Google Sheets interface. Click on the appropriate tab to pull up the data you need to work with. This step ensures that you're working in the correct place and on the correct data. Next, find the cell where you want the total sum to appear. This is often referred to as the total cell. It's usually located at the bottom of a column of numbers or to the right of a row, depending on how your data is organized. Got that spot picked out? Great! This next step involves using a formula to perform the calculation. In the total cell, you're going to type in a formula. Start by clicking on that cell to ensure it's highlighted. Then, type the equal sign, followed by the word sum. You're building what's called a functions formula. As you type sum, Google Sheets will even offer suggestions, which is a nifty feature to use for quick selection. After typing sum, you'll need to select the range of cells you want to total. You can do this by typing the range manually or by clicking and dragging over the cells you want to include. For instance, if you're totaling values from cells A1 to A10, your formula should look like this. A19 A10. Be sure to use the colon to denote the range between your first and last cell. Once your range is selected, go ahead and press enter. If everything was input correctly, the total sum will automatically display in your total cell. You've now successfully calculated the total sum in Google Sheets. It's a straightforward process, but it's a real time saver for anyone regularly working with spreadsheets. Remember, the sum function is quite versatile, and you can always adjust the ranges to match different sets of data as needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have learned how to efficiently complete a fundamental task in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your future projects. See you next time.